Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to go through the decimal module. It can be very useful to get fully correct results. As it is said on Python's official website, the decimal module provides support for fast correctly rounded decimal floating point arithmetic. It works in the same way as the arithmetic that people learn at school. Unlike hardware-based binary floating point, the decimal module has a user-alterable precision, defaulting to 28 places, which can be as large as needed for a given problem. Let's define variables a, b and c. Their values will be the float type. When we sum them, we will expect 0.45 as the result, but we will get something weird. It's because it is in binary floating point. If we want to prevent that from happening, we will import the decimal module. Here it is important which d is an upper and which is lower. We will add decimal, parentheses, and quotation marks as the value. When we sum like this, the result will be correct. When we talk about the decimal module, we must mention context. Context helps us precise rounding numbers and the number of decimal places that fit us. We will define it as CTX and check a number of decimal places and a way to round them which are by default. You can change them, of course. We will define A and B and round them to one decimal place. We will get 0.3 and 4.4. But, in case we change a way to round them to round half up, we will get 4.5 instead of 4.4. If you want to know more about ways to round number, you can check the link below the video. Another thing you are able to do is to define a local way to round numbers. In that case, it will be just for that part of the code. When you continue coding after that, it will be as it was before. If you want to define a value by yourself, you can do it by typing a tuple that consists of a sign, digits and exponent. Zero is for a positive number, while 1 is for negative. Let's try it. That's it. So, our digits are 2, 3, and 5. It is 235. An exponent is 2. The final number is 235 multiplied by 10 to the power of 2. It is equal to 2.35 multiplied by 10 to the power of 4. The main difference between dividing simply integer numbers and integer numbers defined as decimal ones is rounding the result. If we want an integer number as the result, in the first case we will get the result properly rounded. While, on the other hand, in the second case it will just cut decimal places. When we want a reminder of division with negative numbers, we will get a negative number if they are decimal and a positive one if they are integer. Using this module, you can also find the square root and logarithm of a number. Let's try with 2. That was it for today's video. If you like the content of our channel, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.